Bitcoin bounced after comments from U.S. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell at the FOMC meeting signaled that banks are allowed to serve crypto clients. Crypto markets initially had a muted reaction to the Federal Open Market Committee's decision on Wednesday, January 29th, to keep interest rates unchanged. The Fed maintained its 4.25 to 4.50 federal funds rate, citing somewhat elevated inflation, as analysts had predicted. Bitcoin edged up 0.5 minutes after the Fed released its FOMC minutes. The uptrend accelerated to 3, pushing BTC above 103,500 heading into the U.S. evening trading session. Responding to a crypto-related question, Powell stated that U.S. banks are perfectly able to serve crypto customers, provided they comply with risk disclosure requirements. He emphasized that debanking legally compliant customers is not Fed policy. Addressing concerns related to the so-called Operation Choke Point 2.0, that great regulation on crypto would be helpful, Powell added. He also reiterated that the U.S. Central Bank cannot legally hold BTC, prompting Senator Cynthia Lummis to propose changing the law if necessary. Digital asset markets flipped green following Powell's remarks, while major U.S. equity indices closed the day slightly in the red. Unchanged federal interest rates split sentiment between bulls and short-term bears. Bulls argued that Bitcoin could surge in February, as it has in 8 of the last 12 Februaries. They also speculated that President Trump's pro-crypto stance could provide additional support for BTC and the broader market. Bears, on the other hand, contended that static interest rates could deter new capital inflows into BTC and related products, such as Wall Street's spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds. Meanwhile, reports suggest that President Trump has encouraged Powell and the Fed to implement lower interest rates. However, Powell stated that he has had no contact with Trump so far and did not comment on the rumored request.